Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pseudocode, part of programming in C course. Pseudocode is a type of informal language that is used to describe an algorithm in a way that is similar to a programming language, but is not specific programming language. It is used to explain an algorithm in a way that is easy to understand for both humans and computers. Here is an example of an algorithm stated in pseudocode. This is an example of finding minimum value in a list of numbers. The algorithm begins by setting a variable min to the first number in the list. It then uses a for loop to iterate through each number in the list, comparing each number to the min variable. If a number in the list is less than the min variable is updated to that number. Once the for loop has completed, the min variable will contain the smallest number in the list. Finally, the algorithm returns the min variable. It is important to note that pseudocode can be written in many different styles and formats. It doesn't have to follow any specific syntax or grammar rules. As long as the instructions are clear and easy to understand, the pseudocode will be useful for explaining the algorithms. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.